funky.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna start vlogging what I've been doing during this quarantine because I know I haven't posted a lot of videos for you guys, but I look kind of weird. I might put on a little bit of concealer on my dark spots here. My boyfriend's here. Surprise!
Hi.
And we've been studying. Well, not that much. And I don't let him study. Sorry, babe. We're gonna go get some pressed juices here in town somewhere, and I'm just gonna put on a little bit of. This is really fucking like a smoothie. We just got our juices. Which one did you get?
That tray.
And what does it have in it? Says it on the back.
Carrot, pineapple, orange, and organic ingredients. So.
Oh wow! Carrot,
really
pineapple,
good.
orange. What does mine have? Mine is called Ginger Up. It's apple, H2O, purple cabbage, lemon, ginger, and cayenne. I'm excited. And they do have cleanses, so I might come back to get a cleanse. That sounds very interesting. Hey guys, I don't know what day it is today. Oh, it's Saturday. It's Saturday today. I decided I'm gonna start vlogging today. I did start the other day, but I kind of forgot about the vlog, so I'm just gonna start right here. But today's Saturday, and we're having a chill day outside because the weather has finally gotten a lot nicer. And I made some aguachiles. Why the hell do I look so white? Like, I promise you, I'm not this white. But here are the aguachiles. This is freaking so ugly. This is what it looks like so far. I just let them sit in the juice. They've been sitting here for like 30 minutes, but my mom went out to go buy like the cucumber and the red onions and everything else that's gonna go in here because we don't have it. So I'm just waiting for her, and then she's gonna get some more chips so we can eat this amazing salsa. This is the salsa that we left from Whole Foods. This is the habanero one. We originally tried the chipotle one. They're both amazing, so go out and try this. They're really, really good. My brother's over there doing stuff for my mom. Stuff for all of us, because we're all gonna be sitting our asses in those chairs. My mom ordered new chairs, and he's, you know, like building them or whatever. But we're just out here having some drinks. You don't like the camera? You don't want to be on camera? No? Okay. I like your shoes. Those are cute. Those are cute shoes.
Stop.
Oh, stop? Okay, I'm gonna go sit over here.
Stop.
What happened to... There's my gorgeous boyfriend.
Your sister is calling you.
Is it recording? I don't know. This is just another day in quarantine. I just did my makeup and I got a little bit of mascara on my lids, so I'm just trying to remove that. Now we're gonna go downstairs and make some breakfast. I'm gonna be making some French toast. So good, with some eggs and some fruit. Today I'm just gonna show you guys how I cook more of like a vlog style, okay? Oh, everything's falling. This is the bread I'm going to be using for the French toast. This is the sliced French brioche from Trader Joe's. It's really, really good for French toast and really good for paninis. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, I already added 1 egg in here. Now I'm going to be adding a little bit of this cinnamon. A little bit of this sugar-free syrup. This gives it a really good crust on the outside, not a little bit, more like a lot. A really good like crispy crust on the outside, and I'm adding a little bit of vanilla, pure vanilla extract. I can't open this. Look at my ugly nail. This is why I need my long nails. Just a couple drops. Now I'm gonna add some dairy-free milk and mix this up and start dipping my brioche bread. Love this bread. It's so fluffy and good. Okay, for my eggs, I just added a little bit of this bell pepper and onion mix from Trader Joe's also. Why is it not focusing? Here it goes. This bag, just a little bit. Some spinach, and now it's in there. And you guys already know the egg whites I use are from Trader Joe's too. And I'm actually not measuring anything. Just gonna add however, oh, I just spilled it. However much I think I'm gonna eat. So not that much, but just mixing this around until it gets a little bit more thawed out so I can add my egg whites. I just finished, oh my god, I'm so annoyed with this. I just finished editing one of my videos, and I'm gonna make lunch, and I'm just making a bunch of random stuff because I'm just trying to use up everything that I have at home. So I'm making my boyfriend a buffalo chicken wrap, and I have the chicken going right now. I'm about to cube up some golden potatoes and add to boiling water to make either mashed potatoes for later or a potato salad. So here's the buffalo chicken, and here's the water that's boiling, and I'm just about to cut up these potatoes. Okay, so I've actually never made potato salad before. I have made mashed potatoes, so if I decide to make potato salad, sorry, hopefully I boiled the potatoes right, I guess. I'm not following like a recipe or anything, so I'm just kind of winging it, but I just added a bunch of water to the pot. I'm actually doing that right now. I'm adding a lot, so hopefully I don't overdo it, but I think I'll be fine. The chicken's just about ready, so I'm about to take that out, or actually flip it. Flipping the chicken. I'm gonna cut up tomatoes, some lettuce, and put down the tortilla. I'm gonna spread some cream cheese on there. It's gonna be really good with like chipotle dressing for the wrap. Okay, we're using paper plates because I wasn't trying to wash hella shit right now, okay? But look how good this is. Is it hella good?
Okay.
Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys, the chicken has been marinated in buffalo sauce for like a day, right? So it's like, it tastes so much like buffalo and zesty. 2 days actually. It tastes so good, and like we barely had to add buffalo sauce, huh? Let me go because I'm hungry. So we are going to Dutch Bros. I don't know why it's like blurry like this, to be honest. Why is it blurry like that? Okay, we're going to Dutch Bros, and we're taking the baby with us, and he's really excited. Are you excited?
Sí, tu mami no va a ir.
Your mom's not going.
Vente.
You're coming with us. Let me go get my shoes, okay?
Okay.
I'll be right back. Are you excited for your Dutch Bros?
I got 4 drinks for you, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes, here it comes.
There you go.
Woo!
Can I grab? Hold
Whatever
it?
you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
Look.
Look at all this. Hey guys, I forgot to show you how I made this, but I just smushed the eggs and the potatoes together, and I added avocado mayonnaise. These are the mayonnaise. I got these at Costco. I added mustard. I added some of this paprika, salt, parsley, chopped up celery, and a little bit of this sriracha ranch dressing from Trader Joe's. And that's it, right? That's all I said? What else did I say?
That's
Come on.
it.
Yeah. Oh, and vinegar. But I use the vinegar from the jalapeno chiles, like the Mexican ones, you know? The vinaigrette is jalapenos. So yeah, it's really good.